here is the BYD Seagull, currently the hottest model from BYD, selling over 40,000 units in a single month in China, which is no small feat, considering many cars struggle to hit that mark in a year. So what's all the buzz about? Firstly, it's pocket-friendly, priced at 73,800 to 89,800 Chinese yuan. It's a steal in mainstream electric cars, almost half the price of a Volkswagen ID3. Despite being smaller, the Seagull's electric range holds up, offering 305 kilometers and 405 kilometers versions under CLTC conditions, meeting the weekly commuting needs for most. Talking about its looks, many online joke that the BYD Seagull is a Lamborghini Gallardo on stilts, and there's some truth to it. Sharp lines on the front and sides, along with distinctive daytime running lights, give it a sporty vibe. Stylish wheels and a rear spoiler add a dynamic touch. And the semi-hidden door handles not only reduce drag, but also work like a charm. No worries about frozen handles in chilly winters. Step inside, you'll find the interior design reminiscent of the BYD Dolphin, quite pleasing. Multifunctional steering wheel, blue-black color scheme, and a user-friendly layout with physical buttons make for a good visual experience. There's even a wireless phone charging panel next to the cup holders and an open storage compartment in the back for personal items. The star of the show, the rotating central screen, a standard feature in almost all BYD models, including the Seagull. Sized at 10.1 inches, it comes with connected features for online navigation, music, and video streaming, plus voice recognition control. 你好，小迪，我在。旋转屏幕。收到。Now let's take it for a spin to see if there are more surprises in store. This car is the 405km pure electric range version, powered by a 38.88 kWh lithium-ion phosphate battery pack. Despite its weight of just 1.2 tons and a modest 55 kilowatts motor, it accelerates quickly, going 0 to 50 km per hour in 4.9 seconds. However, the power output in the mid to late range might struggle when fully loaded. I just checked it out. It provides 3 driving modes: economy, sport, and standard. For daily use, standard and economy mode is the way to go, more energy efficient. Each mode provides different feedback on accelerator, and you can adjust the regenerative braking intensity. The customizable settings are quite extensive. Surprisingly, the suspension performance is noteworthy, with a finely tuned McPherson front independent suspension and a Torsen beam rear non-independent suspension. It handles speed bumps without excessive bouncing, and during turns, the vehicle shows minimal body lean. The steering feels light at low speeds, making it easy to maneuver. But as speed increases, the lack of consistent steering response becomes apparent, requiring constant attention to the steering wheel angle. There's room for improvement in the steering setup. As a city commuter, it's not just about looks and performance. It needs to be practical, with a length of 3.78 meters and a wheelbase of 2.5 meters. The Seagull offers decent space. With my 165 centimeters height, the backseat has ample leg and headroom. If you need to put some sizable luggage, no problem. Just toss it in the back where you have a quite spacious trunk. I'd say it can easily accommodate at least 4 28-inch suitcases, making it incredibly practical for a small car. The BYD Seagull is versatile, affordable, stylish, and easy to handle. As a city commuter, it's a perfect fit, much like the BMW's Mini or the past Mercedes Smart. So if you had 80k Chinese yuan to spend on a commuter car, would it be your top choice? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell. See you soon. Ciao!